Well, what's going on, guys? What's going on? How about that green? Market's starting to correct. We're about 29 minutes away from the daily close, and we're starting to see some pump action here. Bulls trying to fight for a nice, solid close. Looking across the market, guys, Jasmy up 3.6%, down 23.5% on the week, up 81.5% on the month, and up 452% on the year. 71 spot in rank, $1.72 billion market cap, volume up at 469 million. Let's have a little look across the market. Look at this, Miria, Pith, Mobile, everything's pumping very, very nicely, guys. Very, very nicely. Market's recovering. Nice flush out, and we are renewed and seeing upside pressure. Okay, let's go over to the Jasmy chart. Let's see what's going on. So on the daily, here we go, guys. Look how far down we wicked, and boom, right back into our falling wedge pattern. Very, very bullish. Waiting for that golden cross to play out, guys. Probably within the next 72 hours, we're going to see this golden cross play out. RSI is down at 47.35. Just a hair into the oversold on the daily, which is very, very bullish as well. Sellers are exhausted. Let's go down to the lower time frames, though, and get a feel for what's happening. Now, I said in this morning's video here that it kind of felt like we bottomed out, right? We hit our local bottom. And it seems like we did. We hit our reversal, and here we are, guys, back above the 200-day SMA on the 4-hour at 3 cents 527. So very nice to see that, guys, starting to make our way back to the upside. And the hourly time frame, same thing. We got above the 30-day SMA very nicely, bottomed out here. We continue to climb. Let's reconquer the 100-day SMA now. That's what you want to see. So here's the thing, guys, on the hourly time frame, look at how much this 30-day, or sorry, yeah, this 30-day SMA has been acting as resistance on the hourly time frame, right? Since back here, since the 16th, it's been resistance, right? We're back above it finally. So let's stay above it now and continue to the upside. Actually, let's check out the weekly here real quick as well. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so starting to wick our way back up on the weekly. We got a couple more days. Can we get back up over 4 cents on the weekly time frame for a nice solid weekly close? That would be fantastic to see that happen. That's what we will be watching. Jumping over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, same thing, guys. Came down, almost touched this support level here, 91,000, basically 92,000. Wicked all the, look at that buying pressure. Bought it all the way back up, all the way back up. So now we got a hammer candle going on. We're back inside of our bullish structure. And the problem is, though, we're still below the 30-day SMA on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. I would like to see a break above it, but I have a feeling tonight's going to be a good night. No, that 98,600 is going to start acting as a significant level of resistance once again. That is exactly where the 30-day SMA is sitting as well. So we have a double resistance there. We'll see how long it takes to break through there. Hopefully not long. Hopefully it breaks right through. But let's go look at the 4-hour. What do we have here? Same thing, guys. We had our local bottom, broke back up. Wanting to break above the 200-day SMA here on the 4-hour, though. So far, we haven't been able to, but we will continue to keep an eye on that. As long as we stay inside of our structure, we're fine. Going to the 1-hour, very similar. We got above the 30-day SMA on the hourly, though, so that's very, very good. Again, this level right here, 98,600, is the level we have to watch. However, if we see a little bit, if you see on the hourly time frame, guys, we kind of have a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders playing out here, right? So this could be very, very bullish for a break to the upside here. So yeah, we had the death cross right here. But that's the hourly time frame for starters. The death cross is a lagging indicator, so it's representing this drop here, right? All of this drop, that's what it represents. So don't worry about that being a future indicator, because it's not really. Going back over to the 4 hour, I mean, yeah, the wicks kind of looks like an inverse head and shoulders on the hourly time frame anyway, so we'll have to see what happens. Going over to the weekly, what do we have here? We're still inside of our structure on the weekly time frame, so that's good. Outside of that, guys, things still look healthy. Things still look okay, right? We'll recover from this. No problem. We've already started to recover. Okay, so what do we got? Why Jasmy is much more than just a token. The dawn of decentralized data democracy. In the blockchain landscape, countless projects flood the market, each promising innovation and revolution. Among them, Jasmy stands as a project that isn't merely a cryptocurrency, but a visionary platform designed to empower individuals through data sovereignty, IoT, or Internet of Things, and decentralized ecosystems. If you're simply seeing Jasmy as a token for trading, you're missing out on a massive wave of change it's steering. Here's why Jasmy is so much more than just a token, and why its potential could reshape industries. Empowering data sovereignty. In today's digital economy, corporations monetize user data without adequately compensating individuals for respecting privacy. Jasmy flips this model on its head and enabling data democracy. Built on the principles of decentralization, Jasmy's personal data locker technology ensures users maintain full control over their personal information. This framework empowers individuals to monetize their own data, cutting out intermediaries and reclaiming privacy rights. Now, someone had asked me, well, why would these companies come to the PDL or the Platinum Data Marketplace to purchase data when they can just buy it, using Jasmy, when they can just buy it with cash? Because, my friend, they are passing legislation to make it illegal for these companies. It's not legal for these companies to be taking your data and selling it and making tens of billions of dollars off of it, leaving you high and dry. I guess that fact doesn't really ring in some people's heads, that the way that these companies like Meta, Facebook, and Google are acquiring data is not okay. That's why, right? So, where was it? Oh yeah, and the other question was that people asked, well, why don't these companies just make their own, PDLs and stuff? Well, I mean, for one, it took Jasmy 7 years to build it, for one. So go ahead and just go whip one up real quick. Just go ahead and whip it up, Secondly, all of Jasmy's technology is globally patented technology. So yeah, there's that too. The Jasmy token serves as a medium of exchange, but the real value lies in the data governance framework, which could disrupt tech monopolies and provide a fairer digital ecosystem. Integrating IoT and blockchain. Jasmy combines IoT and blockchain technology to create a decentralized, secure, and transparent infrastructure. With the explosion of IoT devices worldwide, smart cars, appliances, wearables, and more, security and interoperability challenges have grown exponentially. Jasmy tackles this by enabling devices to communicate securely while safeguarding data through blockchain. For enterprises, Jasmy offers a seamless way to manage IoT systems, ensure data integrity, and unlock new efficiencies. Its real-world use cases go beyond theoretical blockchain benefits, bridging the gap between technology and practical business applications. Backed by tech giants, Jasmy is not a faceless project launched in obscurity, sorry. It is founded by Sato, the former president and of Sony Corporation's VAIO division, and other Sony executives. The leadership team's expertise gives Jasmy a strong foundation in enterprise-grade technology development. These connections have already facilitated collaborations with Japanese corporations and positioned Jasmy as a bridge between traditional industries and decentralized solutions. Such credibility positions Jasmy as a leader in the blockchain for enterprises space, creating more demand for its ecosystem. Regulatory compliance in Japan. Japan is known for its rigorous and forward-thinking regulations regarding blockchain technology. Jasmy is one of the few projects officially recognized and licensed in Japan. This level of compliance makes Jasmy a trusted player in the market where transparency and legality are crucial. It is poised to attract institutional investors and businesses that prioritize regulatory clarity. Number 5, real-world use case. Jasmy's applications extend far beyond the financial sector. Healthcare, securing and monetizing personal health data while ensuring interoperability between health systems. Automotive, empowering smart vehicles and secure data sharing capabilities for navigation, diagnostics, and safety improvements. And I have the hiccups. Retail, enabling personalized marketing campaigns that compensate users for sharing their preferences. Unlike speculative tokens with no tangible impact, Jasmy has demonstrated its real-world viability and future growth potential. A growing ecosystem. The Jasmy ecosystem is rapidly expanding with a growing number of developers and companies integrating its technology. Its scalable framework supports innovation, and the Jasmy token facilitates transactions, rewards, and governance within the ecosystem. As adoption grows, the network's value will rise exponentially. This positions Jasmy not as a speculative asset, but as a cornerstone technology for decentralized data solutions. Number 7, unlocking the value of data. Data is the oil of the digital age, and Jasmy has built an infrastructure that places its control back in the hands of individuals. With the global personal data market value at hundreds of billions of dollars, Jasmy is poised to capture a significant share by providing a fair, transparent, and user-focused platform. The future of Jasmy, a visionary project. Jasmy is not just a cryptocurrency. It's a movement towards decentralized data democracy. It integrates IoT, blockchain, and personal data management into a cohesive ecosystem that empowers individuals and enterprises alike. While the Jasmy token plays a crucial role in facilitating this system, its true value lies in the broader vision of the future where users have full control over their digital lives. As businesses and individuals continue to recognize the importance of privacy, decentralization, and interoperability, Jasmy's role as a leader in this revolution becomes undeniable. For investors, developers, and enterprises, now is the time to explore Jasmy, not just as a token, but as a transformative technology shaping the digital world. Closing thoughts. Jasmy is much more than a cryptocurrency. It's a movement, a platform, and a vision for the future of data and IoT. As blockchain technologies mature, Jasmy is proving that real-world impact matters more than speculation. The question is whether Jasmy will succeed. The question isn't whether Jasmy will succeed. It's how soon it will redefine the way we interact with data and technology. So, As always, guys, obviously not financial advice, but if you don't hold Jasmy, you should probably add it to your watch list and do a little bit of research, because you may be missing out on a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. If you've never been through an altcoin season before, guys, or a bull run, this is your first time, you're going to want to jump over to the Patreon, schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me. We can help you design an exit strategy and a profit-taking plan that suits your portfolio. Guys, it has never been truer that 95% of people in crypto do not make money. And the reason for that is because a lack of experience leads to just people tend to treat it like it's something they can just wing. We'll just wing it. We'll just find our way, mumbling and stumbling through it. How do you expect to become financially free and make life-changing wealth for yourself by just winging it on your own? Does that sound like those two things go together to you? No, right? Get over to the Patreon. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with yours truly. You can join our group video calls that we do every evening, where we all get together. We discuss exit strategies, profit-taking plans. It is extremely informational and educational, guys. You get all your questions answered, not only by me, but by an entire community of people with varying levels of experience, from veterans to beginners. I have a lot of people over on the Patreon in the community who join them, and they don't even talk. They just join them, and then they just sit there and they listen, and they learn so much by the rest of us who have experience discussing these important matters, right? Everything from profit taking to exit strategies to when we think the bull run's going to end to what we think the market's going to do next based on the charts that we're looking at, right? From again, from swing trade opportunities. I just dropped a video over there for 3 micro cap projects that would be fantastic opportunities to get into while the market is down, right? We find gems over there. We do all kinds of things, guys. Swing trade opportunities, like I said. I put up an opportunity for you to get into node operations over there. We're looking into nodes for multiple different projects. So there's that option as well. We do passive income opportunities, a lot of DeFi staking and stuff, exclusive Patreon only content. You're missing out if you're not over there, guys. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So again, schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me. Join our group video calls we do every evening, and let's get you on the path to financial freedom. Okay? Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.